Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your chats on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application and now you will be taken into the home page if you have logged into your account already. Otherwise, use your credentials and you will be taken into your account. From the home page, click on your account icon at the top left corner and you will be taken to your profile page. Now, if you wish to clear your chats on Snapchat, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings page, scroll all the way down until you find the clear conversation option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will find all of your conversation on the Snapchat app. Go ahead and tap on the cross icon at the right side of each of these conversations and this will delete these conversations right away. You will also be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete these conversations. You can simply tap on the clear button to provide your confirmation, and one by one your conversations can be deleted in this way. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your chats on the Snapchat application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.